Don't leave your room, no matter what happens." I was about to call her, but then I noticed another message, sent just 1 minute earlier, from my own phone number. It said, "Don't believe Mom. It's me standing outside the door." At that moment, someone knocked, slowly, 3 times. I looked up and saw that my bedroom door was already slightly open, even though I clearly remembered locking it. And behind the door was me, standing there, smiling.